Hello, how are you doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day, or you are, whatever you're doing. Hope it's as good as it needs to be. Clunk, 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 clunk. Ah, there we go. Tickle. Ah, there we are. I am in my dressing gown, but it's cold and I'm wearing a jumper underneath. I'm just lounging, you know. Well, played through my game a couple of times. Fixed some stuff on the first playthrough, and that was some of the other things we noticed on that second. And that, and then played through it again, and then we found out, well, we found any bugs. I might have fixed it and removed it from the list. Yeah, the gunship's not firing off their bombs during the one of the main missions. You do drop them, well, for some reason. They didn't against the transport, but they have dropped them against me in a side mission, which is a bit okay. So it does work, but not as frequently as I thought it should have done. But most of the stuff only here is just polishing some of the things. This one's actually changing the way target my nearest attacker works. Let's have a look at gunships and see why they may not be firing off as much as they used to or expected to. Boosh. No. Suspicious user. Let's see. Yes. You always block someone twice. Yeah, you never need to follow someone on a different social platform for them to stay connected when you go live. That's what the fucking follow button is. So, can only be nefarious. I guided a bomb launcher. Bomb info. Oh, no more lock on time. Forward velocity. Minimum speed 500. Max speed infinity. Oh, let's just reduce that. Gunship, 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 gun. Wow. Maximum is 600, so that shouldn't have been a limitation. Gunship behavior. Right here. Fire chance, cooldown. Reduce that then. Every 5 seconds, 75%. Well, 70% chance. When it's fired it. 10. That'll be overkill. Not as harsh. Last thing we want to do is them all firing off immediately and continuously. Enough of that. Oh, it was just the look of the draw. Oh, could actually faff around with that a bit better. The gunship, it's only got bombs. %, chance, 30-second cooldown. Every 5 seconds. Not that that matters, but, you know. Well, always do every turn anyway. So it's still gonna drop bombs. Yeah. What am I doing? Oh, let's get rid of that. Mission directed required. Okay, first mission. So I level editor and update the player objectives. Bring this microphone closer. Oh, now you can see it. It's not being as fussy as it used to be. Like, oh yeah, I can see there's a colour there, but now I get it to stay. Hilarious. Did I have objectives in the first mission? I'm sure I did. Turn off the main speakers so we're not bleeding through twice. So we got directives there. Not me in. So I'm sprung behind you. Haha. Okay, yeah, so objectives showing up. Well, these are grayed out because it's trying to load the background. It's not always fast. You know what? Let's just go back to chapter 4. People want content. I'll do the content and then polish everything else later, can't I? And that would make more sense to do to get progress going on. It's not a massive thing. Right. Let's remind ourselves what we got in here. Everyone's dying. Nice. All the missiles. Ugh. So many missiles. Alright, we need a monitoring for our friendly unit. Cruise is 47 off. Torpedo away! And he's dead anyway. Nice. I'm gonna say, what's that then? And it's like, yeah, that's our cruiser. Doesn't look particularly well. It's very flat, just because it doesn't have all the necessary albedo and height maps and stuff. See the size of those guns. So that was a 2-minute battle. Now, second waypoint. Our next event spawn. What we're going to spawn? None for what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Number 2, waypoint 2, warping. It won't have you move. We'll have the same come in again. That'll be interesting to see. If they remain in formation when its wingman is not enabled. I've been having problems with cats pooping in my front garden. Well, one cat in particular. This big fluffy cat. And he does massive poos. It's like, that's not a standard cat poo. And it loves my garden for a toilet. So the first time I thought, right, to deter this, we'll put down some catnip, because cats are not supposed to poop where they eat. And then on camera he comes along, he eats the catnip, and then he still does his poop in my garden. Right, okay. Then I bought some black pepper, because cats aren't supposed to like the smell of black pepper. But the problem is, I'm in Britain and it rains a lot. And it's been continually raining and really not had an opportunity to put any down. And so I've got to wait till the weather's a bit drier in order to try that out. And that's been months. And now I've decided, because I thought, well, alright, maybe it will stop if I don't clean up its poop. It'll like think this is full and move on somewhere else, and it seemed to work for a month, and then he started doing it again. So maybe it was just this cat's a bit of prissy proper cat, and it just didn't like the cold weather because it was very cold at that time. So now my next attempt is to use one of those deterrent sensors, which I can't even lift up because it's on charging. No, one of them. Can you see it? No. No. My hand is here. There we go. A deterrent sensor. You know, those what make noises to scare them off. Sits in the garden, got a solar panel, so it's supposed to recharge itself. and we'll see if it works or not. Because this one didn't have many reviews, but they were all positive. And it arrived today. And the reason why those reviews are all positive is there was a little card inside. And if you please, oh, well, actually, it worded it, please leave an honest review to get 30 quid voucher for Amazon. Well, there you go. That's why. So we'll see if this works, and then I might have a look and buy a different sensor from another manufacturer using this gift card to see what the competition is like. And if they give me another money off card, then I'll buy another one from another manufacturer, and we'll see if we can find out if they're actually any good or not. Because the reviews get mixed, no matter which ones I looked at. Some say, oh yeah, it's great. Have videos showing the cats getting scared off and running off and whatnot. And then others say, yeah, it doesn't phase the cat. So it's more like just a loud noise thing or a scary noise, and it depends if the cat's a scaredy cat or not. Now, unfortunately, it seems that a lot of cats in my area are scaredy cats. But I don't know about this particular cat, because this particular cat only comes at a certain time in the morning, pretty much within the hour of that time, from what I'm aware of. Not like I've been spying on him constantly to get his habits down, and does his business in my garden after hiding around in the bush where happened to be where I put the catnip last time, wondering whether he's trying to find any of that there. And then he buggers off back where he come from. And it's a neighbour's cat, because I've seen this cat sitting outside its own house, watching the world go by. And they've got dogs as well. So, based on that, I can only assume it's not going to be much of a scaredy cat, and it's just going to turn its nose up at this sensor, and it's not going to do whatever it's supposed to do. It also has an alarm feature, but I think that'll more than annoy the neighbours with an actual audible alarm going off as well. It's also got a flashing light feature, and also one where it cycles through all the different modes but doesn't do the alarm feature, which is good. I'll have to play around with it and experiment and see if it works or not. Monitor the amount of cat poo on my garden. Fantastic. The most annoying thing is it's only become a problem in the last year. I'm pretty sure that cat's been around for a few years. Now my neighbours, next door neighbours, also have these sensors. But even though they've had those sensors, and I hear those sensors click off when I walk past them because I can hear them, I've still seen cat poo in their garden, but not the big chunky ones got in my garden. Hope you're not eating. So we'll see if perhaps that cat's now got disturbed by those sensors, which look like this one I've got, and is now, you know, sought a new toilet, which happens to be my garden. So let's see if we can encourage it to find somewhere else to go instead. Now we want a condition: units remaining opponent. 0. No more enemies. And then event 2. Also need to disable the autopilot. On cruiser. This is the escort, the second group. So use the same one. And then I need some enemy destroyers. Yeah, your firstborn is leader, and so PDRPN. 3.2. 5,000 in front. Should keep it clear. And then we'll wait for that to spawn in. I get that. Excuse me. Right, target. Let's see how that feels. Nope. One moment. Need to blow my nose. Hold on a second. Huh? You stop dying so quickly, please. Where'd you go? It's so hard. There we go. Oh, well, why is it when that turn that off? Oh shit. Well, that didn't go well, did it? How did you get attacked by missiles? Oops. Well, you'd think 2 layers of explosive armor protection would do the job. But for whatever reason, it failed to. storm back on me, and then see if we can keep you alive. With our died. Oh, that was a torpedo that got launched in. Was it? Oh. How's it died to friendly fire? Okay, next one. Second destroyer. Are the destroyers actually enabled, or do I turn them off as well? Well, where was my answer? Do the wingmen obey? No, they do not. I'll turn you on. And you didn't get very far, did you? What identifiers do I have? Please. That. Oh, went right through the ads then. Didn't even notice. I need to make myself a brew, so I'll be right back. Headphones? Aha. Picking me up. Right, go waiting. Right. What was I looking at? Oh, I'm trying to find out. Oh, it's not that, is it? Really, it's like conditional actions, all. I have some hard-coded values, which I forget about. Find all player. 0 find. Now it finds it. The player identifier. Oh, it wasn't. Yes, was it? Really? Have I just got this unreferenced other places? Yeah. Was it? Come on. Player identifier. Oh, it's a private. Yeah. Damn. Am I just thinking things again? Probably. As usual. Getting distracted. Can't even remember why I was doing this. I wanted to see if wingmen wait for the player reference. Now we know they're not. Oh. we can prove this, because I vaguely remember it in this mission. Wrong one. Player fleet in range. If player or player with one. That was what we did. We've got wing there. Maybe we just want to add a group of player as well. Player fleet. One thing I want to know, are my torpedoes able to be destroyed? Let's see. I think it's large. No damageable, so no, that's why they can't get shot down. So that spoils part of the fun. Right. That M2, copy these. He says, duplicate these. Drag them into the torpedoes. And what we want, give them go. A moment. Make sure we can actually shoot them down and making them damageable. That means our PDCs can now actually use you. Back to our mission. What I want as well is a bunch of fighters. Take this. This is a new fighter group. Then we need to tell them what we want them to do. Well, within 7 seconds, they are then spawned in. And we can tell them what we want to do. What I'm gonna do is have 2 sets of groups spawn in. So we have player. Got it right. Use case wing 1, 2, 3. Got no more than 4 wingmen. Random order. How many of the spawn in an enemy fight group? What wasn't it? Sure. Well. Split it up a bit. Oh, poor fighters. But it's four. The entire group. Get that. B. E, F, E. B. C. D. Okie dokie. Oh, wrong one. Do that one. Okay. Now we cookie. do any delays on here. Got that, oh wait. Do that. Okay, wrong one. We're in the correct one, mate. So the illusion that they've not just all spawned in as one, but staggered. Right, when they come in, good. 10-second delay, and then say, right, here are your orders, we'll do that. Hopefully. It will be random, and they won't just all attack. Same. I don't know where the random applies. Does it randomize it in this, or has it over to be randomed? Create. That's concerning. Do you actually do random or not? I made that shit up. Random order. Oh, it's here. Oh, good. So it does try to do as best as it can be random. Very good. And the reason I know it's doing as best as it can because we're using a dynamic random selector, which is better than the basic random feature. This tries to be more random than a random can ever be. Otherwise, you'll just notice that it's not really random, especially when you call the random on the exact same frame. Also, I've noticed. Oh, man. Oh. Fancy that. Apparently, Spain are going to consider putting a ban on Brits buying homes there. Isn't that sort of the same thing we have where we don't want people buying holiday homes at our holiday destinations in the UK? because they just go empty. And that's what Brits are doing. They're buying holiday homes there, which are just going to be empty. Huh. Fancy that. I'll delay 10 seconds. Behind that. Let's see if this is overkill or not. These missiles actually any better? So you should be evaded now. And well, like the guns are just going to finish you off rather than any missiles do. These fighters are trying to actually disable the guns on this ship. Oh, they failed. Good. How far away are we? Oh, a good distance. Oh wow, well, even more effectively, way too far away. What are you shooting? Who told you you could attack that cruiser? Why you turn off your speed, you bugger? Well, fire a torpedo so we can see how well our guns are happening. I don't even think that's got a collider on it, has it? This is our torpedo. We have projectile collider. That means it won't. We haven't got a damageable one here, have we? We need a damageable component. Forgot about that. Because if you look at one of my ships, anyone will do. We've got damageable, which also determines that it can be damageable, and then when it's got the script in for it, it will then add a damageable layer. So this is for the armor, got different quadrants, and then this is the hull, and a little one for the hull. Oh, we didn't get through your armor this time. Interesting. Oh, and you can see then they spawned in staggered. These fighters should attack me. But then we've not told them who they should be attacking for the cruisers. Yeah. The cruiser's moving in, but it has no... Does it? Or does it? It might have some concepts of what it should be targeting. The fighters do. There's code. Who's attacking me? Attacking you. Oh, completely forgot about you. See, good destruction. Oh, and I fired off all the missiles. Well done. Why did you collide into that? Why did you not try and evade it? Died then. Oh yeah, you're about to. Bye. Okay, that's a bit more hectic, isn't it? What? Why? Why? How? Why do you do this to me? That's just... I've never seen you do that before. How have you spawned inside each other? So irritating. Anyhow, I think we've lost this one. Where's my wingman? I'm falling back on me, mate. Ow. There we go, we died. Torpedo damageable. space missile. Oh. Why would base missile not have a damageable on it? That just doesn't make sense. Go. Also, why are we using layer projectile as well? Surely, detailed, collidable, what we need. See how that works now. That should. Well, before we do that, need to add some monitoring. I want to be able to keep an eye on our friendly cruiser. FC. Yeah. So monitoring us now. We now can keep an eye on our cruiser and make sure safe. Oops. Not all fire missiles at once, please. Destroying and stopping some of these, or are they all just overwhelming? No. Oh, please. How did you get stuck in there? Have I not added? Oh yeah. It's missing the simple colliders that stop it from scissoring with other things. Very good. Where are these missiles supposed to go? Alright, go attack that. like they do know how to attack better targets. Or I've not told them. Just not sure. Now, if you kindly fire off the C4. Nope. Okay, next spawns coming in. Come on back with me. The cruiser. Oh, hello. Oh, we got fighters, we got destroyers, haven't we? Yeah, why don't you go attack that? I'll go attack this one. They will speed up. There you can see they've all abandoned attacking my destroyer and they're dealing with whoever's attacking them. Maybe a little too early. At least they did a good job. My cruiser's okay. Are you firing off torpedoes? At fighters of all things? What's this one? Yeah. Of course you are. Why would you not? Where is? Here we are. Alright, fine. Don't get too close to you. Who are you attacking? Looks like you're attacking me. Bash. Now, was that a torpedo you shot at me and we shot it down? Looks like it. There we go. Might have a better idea. And where are you going at? Wrong place. You are firing at what? Please. Okay. Yeah, I'll use torpedo against Smokecraft. Very good. Well done. Congratulations. Overkill. Ineffective overkill. Right, I'm gonna have to find where that enemy cruiser is. There he is. Right, and did you fire off or am I imagining it? I thought I saw something. Fire off. No? Right, if I look from my perspective at whatever it might have been. Okay, that could be an MLRS. Oh, did you fire something off that time, or have I just got the complete wrong loadout expectations on you? Well, whatever it was, it's already dead. Ugh. Right, now I'm outside of torpedo range. I have to get back in there so you can actually try and shoot me again with another torpedo. Please? Please? Go? Right. Go after my wingman. What effect with that? Oh, he's firing a torpedo! Just as he died. I don't think I'm anywhere close to intercept that. Has it already been destroyed? Okay. I guess it is. Ta-da! What's left? A couple of visors. I'm gonna forget. Oh, okay. Now, once again, got some things we need to sort out. You even. Well, we tell you to attack the... but we don't tell. Oh, no. Yep, what was that? You target each other, you know? We duplicate you. And always just do that at the same time. It's going to be number 2. Yes? Then 2 and 1 spawn 16 and 17. Yeah. And also, while we're doing this, need to do my naming conventions for the enemy fighters and no named craft. I also want to put some gunships in there as well. Gonna go all out against us. But that's actually brought us up to 2 hours mark. So won't overdo it. I have to pace myself. But if you're interested in what I'm working on, it is A-Spec First Assault, space combat game. You have I don't know why my demo command doesn't work on YouTube. Annoying. Oh. Space combat with there we go, no music. Hello, thank you. I'm good. How are you? Just wrapping it up. It's slowly coming along. I am focusing on creating content by doing missions, more missions for it. So I've got about half the chapters that I want, so I need to create another 3 sets of chapters for story missions and add some more variations of side missions and whatnot. It's coming along. All I can say. Slowly. Not as fast as it was capable of at the time, but I think we'll get there within the next, well, 6 to 12 months. He says, because when I started this, it was like, I want to get this out in a year, 2 tops. It's now been almost 4 years. So, was it 3 years? No, it's actually 4 years. Flipping it. 4 years now. So, it's actually a lot bigger than what it was going to be and evolved. Time has no meaning these days when they do blend. Like, I can't believe it has been 3 years and working on Absolute Territory feels like another lifetime ago. Like, yeah, check it out. There is a demo. You can play. Go through the prologue. Don't do the tutorials if you do, because the prologue acts as a storyline, tutorial-based sort of thing. Yeah, Windows. People have been able to get it run on Linux with Proton, and you can play it on Steam Deck as well. And when they do the next update, then you'll be able to use a gamepad controller for everything and not use a keyboard and mouse. So then I can drop the whole what is it? I can put full control support on there at that point. Yeah, give the demo a try. It is not updated. It is literally over a year old now, that demo. Oh, there's a bounce. but I'm not planning to update the demo until maybe when I release full release of this at that point. Because not many people play the demo anyway. So. Right, well, thanks for popping by. Don't forget to hit that follow. Oh, the ads are running as well. Yeah, rubbish ads.